Let's restore old photo. Guys, welcome to the Adam versus the Machine channel. I'm Adam, and I just found old photo of mine. I think I'm like four, maybe 5 years old, and it's poor quality. Let's try to fix that somehow, because it's 2025. We have AI, facial recognition, voice cloning, even face cloning, and we have also image enhancements. So let's try all the methods we have these days. First AI I'm gonna use now is Copilot. Just simply ask him. Copilot claims he can remove scratches, stains, fix the colors, and obviously fix the details. So let's have a look. Obviously this will take a while, so just be patient. What the fuck is this? Just look at this retard. I don't know what the fuck happened here, but I'm disappointed. Doesn't look like me, has all the teeth, and clearly I'm missing few here. I think that was just the day after I won the fight and I won this little doggy. Okay, so that was complete disaster. Let's try ChatGPT, my favorite AI. I don't know. Doesn't look awful. I must say it's quite good. But do you really think this is the same kit? I don't know. Again, the situation with the teeth, I don't know. He's just trying to fix the missing parts. I understand that, but this is completely different kit. It's not me. I think if you want to print the picture and just put on the shelf, like sometimes you have those family pictures, I think that might be okay. But look at this puppy. This animal looks amazing. Even the uniform looks interesting. Like there was no issues with restoring details in this material. But somehow he struggles with the human face. Okay, so I don't know. So let's try something else. Let's try those free software, free websites that you can just go and visit. First website we're gonna use, it's called Picsart. It's very simple, just upload your photo. Free version, so-called low res, but for me it's good enough. Just have a look, 2400 by 3200 pixels. It's great. But again, the question is this the same kit? I think the result is blank. Again, AI is trying to fill those gaps here. Something weird with the eyes, I don't know. If you zoom out, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. Let's try something else. Next one, ai.nero.com. Again, upload your photo. This one is asking you, do you want to do a few things in the same time, like remove scratches, colorize, and obviously enhance. So let's try them all. I don't know what to think about that. I think it's a no from me. So let's upload the photo. AirBrush this time, website, airbrush.com. And again, quite pretty much the same situation. Maybe it might be the best case, I'm not sure yet. When you look from the distance, looks pretty much okay. AI is doing weird things with the eyes. With the eyes, with the teeth, and with the fingers, but fingers, this problem has been resolved, but you can tell everything else is still a bit weird. I mean, in general, it's okay. Let's have a look at the hand. Some time ago, that was a real problem. AI liked to add few fingers extra. But not in this case. Looks all right. Let's play with the color. Again, I don't know what to think about that. The longer I look at this, I mean, it's all right. I think I could use that picture in my family album. Okay, and the last one, it's called ImageColorizer. Colorize and restore old photos. So let's give it a try. Let's upload this, wait a minute, and the result is this. It's something horrible is around the teeth area. I don't know what this AI is doing. Oh my god, doesn't look good. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. I just want you to know what tools you have right now, and more important, for free. So if you want to restore the old photo, and like I said, you don't need this photo to be massive, just print this to this small, small frame, place it next to the fireplace. Those tools are amazing. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. If you like that type of content, consider subscribing. See you next time. Thank you.